Hey, it is another two-for day. We're going to do the 20th and the 21st today. The Create and Bloom Advent Calendar Basket. There's the 21st and there is the 20th. Alright, little Christmas tree view. We'll do the 20th first. Always fun trying to find where that tape is. Ooh, sky. Let's see if we can actually get her in focus. Maybe. Maybe not. It says it's in focus, but it won't focus. Well, anyways, it's sky. We'll get a picture afterwards. She's really pretty. And now we will go to day 21. This feels light. Is it another glitter? I think it is. Ooh, cherry pop. I love cherries. Oh, we're going to get her in a good light. Yeah. All right, thank you. These will make some pretty things. Bye.